Understanding the phrase, spouse for house. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a unique and somewhat humorous phrase in English, spouse for house. This phrase is not only interesting but also reflects a certain social phenomenon. So, let's dive in and understand what it means and how it's used in everyday conversation. Spouse for house is a colloquial phrase that implies marrying someone primarily to gain a financial advantage, particularly in the context of obtaining a house or a better living situation. The phrase combines two key words, spouse, which means a husband or wife, and house, representing the goal of acquiring property. It's often used humorously or critically to comment on relationships where material benefits appear to be a significant motivation for marriage. This phrase is typically used in contexts where there's a discussion about marriage and the motivations behind it. For instance, if someone marries a wealthy partner primarily to move into a luxurious house, people might comment that it's a case of spouse for house. It's important to note that this phrase can sometimes carry a negative connotation, suggesting a lack of genuine affection in the relationship. Let's look at some examples to see how spouse for house is used in sentences. 1. I can't believe John married so quickly after meeting his partner. It seems like a classic case of spouse for house. 2. While some accuse her of being a spouse for house, she insists that her love for her husband is genuine. 3. The concept of spouse for house is often seen in movies where characters marry for convenience rather than love. The phrase, spouse for house, also appears in cultural discussions and critiques, especially when addressing societal expectations and materialism in relationships. It's a way to question whether love or material wealth is more important in marriage. We hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, spouse for house, and its implications in English-speaking cultures. Remember, language often reflects society, and phrases like these offer a window into cultural attitudes and values. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more interesting English phrases in our upcoming videos.